Wish you all happy new year 2026, and this is the first recipe of Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So that is the Quail egg. I am going to prepare the viral egg fry recipe. Isn't it cute? Because this is the miniature one. I don't need much ingredients. It's just quail egg, tomato, and some sprinkle of onion, green chili. First I have to boil the quail egg and then I have to peel it off. Quail eggs are very cute, but don't consume it too much because I always say it's high protein. So 3 is okay over here for this recipe, not more than that. What else I can tell you? Just go through the recipe. It's very easy. I have to cook it in mustard oil, and yes, this 3 quail's egg, cute one, and then I have to mix it properly with a dash of salt. And what next? This is mustard oil. I have to heat it. Miniature cooking, I love it, and I always think that I will prepare it during the winter time. So first I have to fry this quail egg, and then I have to pour that egg batter, and then sprinkle some onion and some tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, and green chili and coriander leaf, and then you have to fry both sides. What is the taste of quail egg? It is, you can say, little bit of country egg and little bit of normal egg. The combination of that will be the taste of quail egg. I love it, and during winter quail egg is easily available. I am in Kolkata, Jadavpur. Madhurima's kitchen located there. You can find it in Google. So when I was talking with you, the recipe is already done. You can see it. I just fried both way. If you don't want to do the miniature cooking, no worries, you can do the normal cooking. And thank you for watching my Madhurima's kitchen. Oh, by the way, I just sprinkled some Kashmiri Mirch powder and some garam masala powder, that is optional, and this is the chopped coriander. Isn't it very cute? So how do you like the 2026 starting? In this year there will lots of recipes coming in Madhurima's kitchen, the YouTube channel, so don't miss it. And you can place food order, that is from Madhurima's kitchen, Google or Facebook. And don't forget to check MaddyBee. Bye.